warning in effect until 7 a.m. Wednesday. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? Portions of north-central North Carolina, including the following county, Caswell and Virginia, including the following counties and independent cities, Amherst, Appomattox, Bedford, Campbell, Charlotte, City of Danville, City of Lynchburg, Halifax and Pittsylvania. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 2:26 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1/2 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lynchburg, Danville, Alta Vista, Yanceyville, Bethel, Hurt and Chatham.